Hi, welcome to ShadowSpeak English. In today's video, we're going to practice how to greet someone in English. This is one of the most important skills because greetings are the first step in every conversation. If you feel nervous when speaking English, that's completely okay. In this lesson, you will see how a learner slowly becomes more confident. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the lesson. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. What is a natural way to ask someone, "How are you?" in English? Listen carefully to the conversation. You will hear the answer. Try to remember it. Hi, hello, Jason.
Hey, Amy. It's really nice to see you. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I think a little nervous. Sorry.
Hey, no need to say sorry. You're doing great. Just take your time.
Okay, thank you. I want to speak more, but I don't know what to say sometimes.
That's okay. Let's keep it simple. Just talk about your day. How has your day been?
My day has been, busy. I had work in the morning and I felt a little tired.
That was perfect. Amy, very clear.
Really? Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. Now try one more sentence. How do you feel now?
Now I feel more relaxed because I'm speaking slowly.
Exactly. Speaking slowly helps a lot. What did you do after work?
After work, I had some free time, so I took a short break. It helped me feel better.
That's excellent. You're speaking more naturally now.
Yes, I think I'm getting more comfortable. Talking like this really helps me.
I'm glad to hear that. You're improving step by step.
Thank you, Jason. I feel much better now. I just need more practice and confidence.
Exactly. And you're already doing a great job.
Great. Now let's look at some useful expressions from this conversation. Jason says, "How are you doing today?" This is a very natural and friendly way to greet someone. You can also say, "How are you?" or "How's it going?"
Amy says, "My day has been busy." This is a simple way to talk about your day. You can change the word busy and say, "My day has been good." "My day has been relaxing." Or, "My day has been a little tiring."
Jason also asks, "What did you do after work?" This is a common question to continue a conversation. Asking questions helps you keep the conversation going.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistakes. You are learning, and that is what matters. Let's try. Hi, how are you? How are you doing today? My day has been busy. Now I feel more relaxed. Very good. You are doing great. If you practice every day, even a little, you will become more confident.
Now, let's go back to the question. What is a natural way to ask someone, "How are you?" The answer is, "How are you doing?" or "How's it going?" Great job if you remembered it. Remember, it's okay to feel nervous. What matters is that you keep trying. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. I will share more simple English lessons with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.